This review is of Melissa's Hot Pot Essentials Kit. This does not have spices, although it does come with chili peppers. And I don't have any nutrition facts, but here are the ingredients. And we've got some nice bunapi mushrooms, or I've never heard of that before. They're USDA organic and also European organic right there. That means they're non-GMO as well. And there are the instructions. The mushrooms have their own nutrition facts information. So we've got no fat, no cholesterol, no sodium, 6 grams of carbs, of which 1 is fiber, no added sugars, 2 grams of protein. These are the vitamins and minerals. Nice. I don't know what ornithine is. Does anybody know? We've also got some pressed extra firm tofu from Melissa's. USDA organic, non-GMO, 100% plant-based, of course. And the certified by CCOF. Nutrition facts. 3 ounces has got 7 grams of fat, of which 1 is saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 10 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbs that are all dietary fiber, and 14 grams of protein. And here are the ingredients. All right, let's give it a try.
Thanks for watching. I need to ask for your help. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon fired me under false pretenses, and the 17th, I had surgery for the injury that occurred at Amazon that Amazon and Sedgwick refused to take responsibility for. So it's coming out of my pocket and my insurance company's pocket. That means I'm unemployed and I will not be getting short-term disability from Amazon or from Sedgwick. So my financial situation is a bit of a problem right now. If you would like to help me, there are some things you can do. Number 1, you can like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on notifications on my channels. Number 2, if you'd like to give a one-time donation, and please don't do this if you can't afford it, you can, on the Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, do a super thanks. Number 3, if you would like to help me on a monthly basis, you can become a member on Glenn's Fast Reviews, or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there. Thank you so much for your support.
This review is of Melissa's Shabu Shabu Essentials Kit. There are no spices except for chili peppers. Here are the ingredients. Now my son has already grabbed the chili peppers out of here. And we've got bok choy and leeks and mushrooms and tofu. The bunapi mushrooms have their own information on them. They are USDA organic for both US and the EU. Thus they are also non-GMO. And they're certified organic by PCO. Nutrition facts. No fat, cholesterol, sodium, 6 grams of carbs, of which none of that is fiber. Or sugars. 2 grams of protein. That's weird. The other one I thought they said. And then there are the vitamins and minerals. What is ornithine? Alright, and then the tofu. Melissa's Extra Firm. USDA organic, non-GMO, plant-based, of course. And this has got, per 3 ounces, 7 grams of fat, which 1 is saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 10 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbs that are all fiber, and 14 grams of protein, no sugars, and these are the ingredients. All right.